How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be doing a recap on some of the day trades I took this week, or at least the ones that stood out to me, the ones I feel like you all can learn from. But as always, before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. But before we get started here, I just want to announce the July mentorship is now open to enroll. So it's basically a month-long course that teaches you about trading and how to manage your risk. Many different teachers. For more information, I got a post on my Instagram. You can check that out with the details and schedule. You can always go to my link in bio on Instagram and join. Now let's get going. I want to talk about a trade I took today on ticker META, what used to be known as Facebook, FB, Meta. I had a level on my watch list of 164.3 reject for puts. Now, as you can see here, this was the opening candle. We came up, we touched here. I took this reject when this candle turned red. I like taking these rejects off a red candle. So I entered here with puts, had an immediate push down. Very nice trade. This was textbook. And I got out. I actually sold the remainder of my position down here at this prior day close, what the stock closed at before. I seen the selling volume dying down. Then I seen a little buying, seen some buyers stepping in. I trimmed on the way down. The first trim was around 20%. Very nice trim. Sometimes I start trimming as early as 10%. But it worked out really well. I'm really proud of my execution on this trade, and I have no complaints. A lot of people in Team Bull made money off this, so it's a win-win. Another trade I want to talk about today, one I didn't personally get to take, but it's a very good example of a retest. And a lot of members did catch this because I seen it in poster gains. This was the opening candle on Walmart. My level is above 123 for calls. You can see we broke pre-market. Well, actually, let me rephrase that. We gapped up as soon as the bell rung for market open. I didn't enter. I was actually in a different trader. I would have taken this myself, but we took it off this retest. We come back down, retested this area, come down, touch this 9 EMA here. That would have been a perfect entry for calls. They took that trade here, and they caught this move all the way up to 123.3. Very small account friendly. It's just a beautiful trade. It doesn't get no better than that on a retest. Nice scalp. I'm not for sure what the contracts moved, but from 123 to dollars. I'm guessing contracts probably moved $40+ each. And that was already under $100 a piece. So, okay, I want to talk about a trade I took today on Amazon. We talked about this during my pre-market live on Instagram, ticker AMZN. I took this trade. It had strength when the overall market was weak. Okay, so it caught my attention just based off that alone. So it pulled back to this 9 EMA. I took some off of it, and I took this move all the way up to this 109, which was a resistance. And the 20 SMA was sitting here on the hourly as well. I got out at 109 exactly on this trade. Worked out perfectly. Jay Dunn, for those of you who don't know Jay Dunn, he's a person who created Team Bull. But anyways, he took a reject in this at this area. Had a nice move down. Beautiful trade. Sometimes it just works out like that. You take calls on the way up to a nice resistance. Then you can switch position, take puts, and make money on the way down. For those of you that's interested in how to do this, I have a beginner series on here. How to manage a day trade's a very good video. Got a lot of positive feedback on that. But yeah, that's basically all the trades I wanted to touch on. If you have any questions about these, feel free to reach out to me. You can do that through Instagram, Twitter, wherever you want to do it. In the Discord, I try to get to all my DMs. If you have any questions about the July mentorship, just let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. And again, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.